Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Notion for building an investment portfolio, your 2025 full guide. First things first, in your Notion workspace, create a new investment portfolio page. Now this is important because this page will serve as your dashboard where you'll track and manage your investments. Next up, divide your page into sections like stocks, bonds, real estate, and so on. This helps us because it provides a clear overview of our diverse investment assets. Now that we've done that, let's add in our assets. For each asset, make a new entry in the corresponding section. Include the name of the asset, the purchase price, current market price, and number of units owned. The reason we do this is to have all our investment data in one place, making it easier to track performance. Here's where Notion's magic really shines. Create a formula field to calculate the total value and the profit or loss for each asset. This is done by multiplying the number of units with the current market price and then subtracting the cost. Let me explain why this matters. With this formula, Notion will automatically update your profit or loss as market prices change. Next, create a summary at the top of your page that adds up the total value of all your assets. This is crucial as it gives you a quick snapshot of your total investment worth. Finally, add a notes section to jot down your thoughts on market trends or future investment plans. This helps us because, in investing, keeping track of your thoughts and observations can be as critical as the numbers. And there you have it, a comprehensive investment portfolio in Notion. By following these steps, you'll stay organized, keep real-time track of your portfolio, and make more informed investment decisions. That's it for today. Keep investing wisely.